Hello everybody, my name is Dhanshi and I am from Superb Humans. Today I am going to recite a story about a shepherd. The shepherd was very dedicated towards the sheep. He would every day take the sheep and the goats towards a small mountain to help them graze. While going every day, one day he suddenly noticed a small flower. It was so attractive. He just went to the flower. As soon as he saw the flower, he was astonished. He saw the color of the flower. This fragrance was so amazing. He was just mesmerized with the flower. He was totally blank. What is happening around? He just concentrated on the flower. He's enjoying the flower totally. As he was mesmerizing the flower, suddenly by the eye end he saw some bright light as if the sun was shining brighter. He suddenly lost the focus, he got distracted and just looked where is the light coming from. As he looked, he saw there were some stones on which light was falling, the sunlight, and the stones were shining completely. He went and saw what were the stones of. As he saw, he found out they were stones of gold and silver. He was astonished, just amazingly wild pickup. He started grabbing all the stones over there, packing up, keeping in his pocket, and everywhere as he could hold of. While collecting, he saw further are more stones, and they are more colorful, more rubies. I'll collect them more. Whatever he collected, he keeps with him, and he's going forward. While going forward, the gold and silver in his hand started turning into dust and just flying off the dust. As he thought, okay, let's leave it. I have got the rubies. He collects the rubies like emerald, amethyst, and many more rubies. As he collects the rubies, he sees further there are diamonds, small diamonds. He's more excited. Yeah, diamonds. He collects whatever he gets and he moves forward till to the diamonds. While moving forward to the diamonds, the rubies also become the dust and they are also driven off. He thinks, okay, let's leave them. We'll collect the diamonds more. He went and selects the diamonds which he looks very amazing and good. He collects those diamonds. As he collects those diamonds, he sees further there are even more bigger diamonds, more larger and bigger diamonds. He's so amazed with them. He goes there. As he goes there, again the same happens. The diamonds, small diamonds with him, all are turned into dust. He thinks, okay, let's leave these diamonds also. I'll collect the bigger ones. As he collects the bigger ones and move forward, the same happens. He lost all the diamonds because all the diamonds turned into dust. He was very greedy. The moral of the story is at the last, he didn't even get a single thing. He might have taken look for the flower itself. He was so amazed by the flower itself. If he had taken care of the flower, it would have blossomed. It would have given even more plenty smell and the aroma around us. It was so amazed. So he might have taken that rather than picking and having more greed, having this, having that, and at last he failed with nothing. This was the moral of the story. Thank you.